just woke up and I'm about to do a little stretch before I go to the gym because my body freaking hurts so bad. Because yesterday I went to the gym and she had me doing like leg workouts, but also like I had to support my abs and my back, so like everything hurts right now. Yeah, so I'm about to just do a few little stretches. Yes, I literally just woke up and I came to you guys with stinky breath. Probably have crust under my eyes. Look how swollen my eyes are. Every time I wake up, this is what my eyes look like. So ever since daylight savings times, it literally just throws me completely off. Good morning, guys. So I am up now. I'm up. Excuse my kitchen, it's a little not on the bright side. But yeah, so I'm finally up. I'm about to make some breakfast. I really don't have that much time because it's 7:12 and we work at 8 o'clock. So I may need to make like a little quick shake or something in order for me to, dang it, my vitamins are like way up there. Hold on. These are the vitamins that I need to keep taking and stop like going in and out and stop taking them, because I do, because I hate taking vitamins, and these are like horse pills. But they're the Spring Valley's active vitamins. This is what they look like. Pretty easy breezy. And then this is the pills. Look how big they are. Ridiculous. Look at that. So definitely, if you plan on taking these, make sure you eat something or you're going to be messed up. So I'm gonna make a shake really quick and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, about to go work out. So you guys get to meet my trainer. She's so crazy, but I love her to death. All right. Good morning.
Good morning, girl. How you doing,
Ooh,
girl?
good. This is my trainer.
Oh,
She's like, why you put me on camera? I bet you any money. She's like, why?
wait. Hi, everybody. Welcome to her morning workout, Saturday morning workout. Caught me off guard.
I know. I love it. And Matt was like, I just wish y'all come on.
She's like, come on, Monique, act like you got sense. You use a phone every day. That's perfect. Keep those abs tight. I love it. Okay, yes. Keep those abs tight and that back straight. That was a perfect one. That is a perfect one. How you feel?
I'm tired.
You're tired?
Yep.
Oh. How do you feel, Matt? Mr. Matty Official? You feel good? Awesome. Great. I love those kind of words.
See your face. She could have turned the camera
Yes.
off, but she ain't a vlogger yet.
I'm not a vlogger. I am Morox. Thank you guys for watching their phenomenal couples workout. You can catch me at Morox, MOROCX _physique. Morox across all social media platforms. I offer online training, so if you are not in Tampa, you can catch me on my website, moroxphysique.com. Get you some online training, some nutrition guides, lifestyle guides, all that good stuff. I do classes 6 days a week, 12 different group classes, personal training, small groups, semi-private training.
Where at?
I offer it all right here in Tampa at 6424 North Armenia Avenue.
I need to go to the grocery store, so probably gonna take you guys along with that because the girl need to eat. She be trying to play me. Say, no, I don't be eating, y'all. Y'all been coming at me for a minute about my food, so I'm gonna get that situated for you guys because I know the struggle is real, okay? The struggle is all the way real. So, yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys that, but I'll be back. Bye, y'all.